Simple. You know, you can kind of put your spin on this if you want. You don't like cumin so much, you know, take a little out. Really good though, you know, really flavorful. Not too much salt. Lots of good ingredients. Really good. You know, works for me. Kids love it too. You know, we were buying the seasoning packets, but it's so easy to just kind of throw your own stuff together. Anyway, come with me to the skillet. We're gonna cook this up real quick. We got our 80-20 over here, ready to go. Got the skillet nice and heated up. Got the old oyster knife. Get this baby in here. We're gonna put just a splash of neutral oil in here. I got some corn, some vegetable, little olive. Just a little bit. All right, I'm gonna put this baby in here, just like that. There we go. We're using our little guy over here, really convenient. Alright, now we're going to stick some paper towels in there and draw some of that grease off, some of that excess moisture. We're going to go in there with our seasoning. A lot of grease in here. This is an 80-20. Some people, they don't like to drain it. I like to drain, you know, a good amount of it. Not all of it, but maybe 75% or so at least. I'm not going to try to get all of it. But if I can get the parts that pool down there, I'll be happy, you know. Yeah, you see all that? You know, you don't need all that. Alright, get this baby over here. Turn the heat down a bit. We're going to go in there with our nice spices. There we go. Yeah, very little salt in that, my friends, so no worries. Ooh, yeah, sounds good with that cumin. Very nice. And get those spices nice and activated. Smells really good. Put our liquid here in a minute. We got about a half a cup of water. We're just going to hydrate some of this meat with. Might not use it all. We'll see. All right, we're going to add our water in here. Everything, you know, chance to blend really nicely. All those spices with the meat. All right, here's half a cup. Let's see. All right, turn our heat off over here. There we go. Pretty good, pretty good. Our meat all situated, but what I like to do with the last part, get this here garlic still nice and hot. We're gonna put a teaspoon in there, not too much, you know, maybe a little bit more, you know, measure with your heart. There we go. That garlic in there nice and happy. That spice unlocks. There we go. And now we're gonna fold our beef up in there. And this is done for now. We're going to set this to the side. We're going to go take care of our sheet pan nachos, get everything assembled, and the tacos will make a reappearance here in a second, the taco meat. All right, we've got a Papa sheet pan, and we've got a Mama sheet pan. We're going to put our chips on the big one, and we're going to put our fixins on the little one. But we got to parchment it up first. Parchment makes everything easier. Just right here like that. There we go. Make it nice and neat. Yeah, we'll do the chips first. We're going to put the chips in the oven real quick just so we can kind of heat them up a bit. And then we'll kind of finish everything at the same time. We're using these nice restaurant style. There we go. Nice mountain of chips. You know what I mean, my friends? Get these chips nice and situated. All right, now we're going to do our second bag of chips because one bag is never enough. Get these chips over here. All right, got the chips over here. Yeah, we feeding a lot of mouths, my friends. That's why we're getting all this. Okay, make some pockets in there. You know how the nachos are. Some little pockets. There we go. All right, I'm gonna put these babies in the oven. All right, now we got our nice cheese over here. We got the nice queso. All right, we're gonna do a nice underlayment of cheese. We're gonna do one bag of the Fiesta, and we're gonna top with the other bag. let's get this one to the side. Get this one first. Oh yeah, look at that queso goodness, my friends. Oh yes. Whoops. Get this over here. Oh, we gotta get our parchment paper. Whoops. Get the parchment paper. It's all right. We're gonna leave that. Don't tell anybody. All right, that should be good. See right there. Help it stick, right? All right. Get this right here, and we're gonna dump the cheese. Dump that cheese out. Okay. Got the cheese over here. Got our, oh, here we go. Almost lost our little spatula thing. All right, get all the cheese out of there. No cheese left behind. All this cheese. We got copious amounts of cheese, my friends. Get this cheese. Get all the cheese. All right, got the can. Got the can situated. We got our beautiful jar. Smells pretty good. Smells pretty good. All right, got that pretty much all good. That let's kind of give this a nice little mix, you know. Get these cheeses all mixed together, you know what I mean, friends? All right, spread this out. This can be like the foundation of our cheese creation. All those gaps. I'm gonna go in here. Oops, that's okay. Got one bag of the Fiesta. One bag, the lid. All right. Got the cheese open. Cheese didn't get away. There we go. All right. All right, now it's bean time over here. We're gonna get our beans open. Drain some of this bean water. Aqua fava. Whoops, broke it. Meant to keep it intact. I get these, you know, this aqua fava out of there. I don't know if that's what it's called in this situation. You don't want all that in there. Drain what you can. Drain what you can. There you go. Get all that liquid. All right, now we're gonna go in with our scraper here. Oops. Our scraper, and we're gonna do some folds. You know what I mean, friends? We're gonna do some folds. We're not gonna do anything too fancy. We're gonna just set some down for now, and then we'll kind of smooth it out. All right, I'm thinking we might do another can actually of this. I think we need a little bit more refried beans. Be right back. We're gonna get some more. We got our other can over here. You know, it just wouldn't be a good ratio, all that cheese. Need some more beans. Thought the beans would go a little further. All right, that looks pretty good. Get this liquid out of there. You know how it is. Get all that liquid out of there. Whoop. Don't let our beans fall up in there, though. We don't want that to happen. Whoop. Get back in there. All right, what are you gonna do? The beans, there you go. Sometimes they listen. All right, let's see. Got the Walmart beans over here. Let's see how these babies spread. I'm sure it'll be fine. They look pretty much the same to me. For all I know, they are the same. You know, Walmart sometimes will, you know, rebrand other stuff in their name, but it's the same exact stuff. Distribute the beans. Break them up a little bit in the meantime too, you know, just a little bit. You don't want to make one mixture, but that's pretty good. Do it as much or as little as you want, but I think I'm good with that. All right, we got the beans. Now we're gonna go in with some other good stuff. Here, be right back. Got the rotel over here. We're gonna drain it first, full of liquid. Put this over here. We'll use the bean water. Bean water. Oh shoot, that's okay. some napkins over here. Kids just moved up a grade. Dump our stuff right there, you know. Get it a little drier, you know. You don't want it all wet like that. All right, I'm good with that. All right, we're gonna put some of these tomatoes on. Rotel. Now we got our lovely ground beef over here. Ground beef. Yeah, and this pound of ground beef was perfect amount. Distribute the beef. Now we got the olives. Daughters love, love, love the olives. Drain the can. Get all that olive juice out of here. All right, let's see. These ones aren't like soggy like the tomatoes, so we're gonna give those a squeeze. Just a little squeeze. There we go. All right, olives. Give them a little squeeze. Get that olive juice out of here. More olives. Bam. Now it's time for some jalapeños. These aren't too spicy, so you know they're a success around here. Everyone loves these guys. Get some of these. Get some real estate over here to work with. There we go. Should be good. Get these babies nice and dry. You guys know the deal. Get them nice and dry. Get all that liquid out of there. We don't want all that liquid in our nachos, you know. Get that liquid out of there. All right. Oops. Oops. Jalapeños. And you know we gotta top it with the more cheese, you know, more cheese the merrier. And these bags don't open like they used to. There we go. Sometimes you gotta use the old mouth tool, you know what I mean? Alright. Cheese. Copious amounts of cheese. Oh, the kids are gonna love this. Son already can't wait for it. Get that cheese up in there. Yes, sir. All right. Now we're gonna put it in the oven. All right, easy cleanup on this one. You know, just some random crap. Just throw it away and you're done. All right, we've got a little bit longer before that stuff melts down. Be right back. If you don't make these nachos, just putting your chips in the oven for, 10 minutes at 375, get some nice and toasty, roast those flavors up a little bit. It's amazing, completely different than the bag. Highly recommend you give that a chance. All right, check these out. These were super easy to make. The kids are gonna love this. And guess what, my friends? The jury is in. Let's see what you guys think. Here, try one. Hold on, I got you.
It's really good. It's like flavorful. Like all the flavors like really come together. But it's hot.
All right, hold on, baby. It's a little hot, so be careful. Okay, now your turn. Come here. All right, what do you think? You like it? Okay, hold on, hold on. Let me get you one that's nice and cool.
Is it good, Simi?
You're welcome. All right, the kids love it. Thank you guys for watching. This was episode 2, keeping the kitchen and the kids full. Catch me for the next one. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe. All right, and here is the aftermath. The kids freaking loved it. It's 2 p.m. right now, so that was a great lunch. But guess what's for dinner? This right here. We're gonna just probably put it back in the oven. 10 minutes at 350, 375. It'll be ready to go for dinner again. Hope you guys enjoyed this. God bless.